Ah, those scary monsters.
Oh, I know.
Oh, God.
Ooh, there comes one now.
Oh, look, one's parked.
Ooh. I don't think they're supposed to park there, though.
It spit out a human being.
Ooh, so amazing, I know.
Oh, my God.
It's coming closer. It's coming closer.
Jump for it.
Well, anyways, we're gonna go. Well, I'm gonna go into this class right now.
Yeah, kids, you think you're so special. I'm going in a scripture.
Oh, I know. And look at the tree. It's crazy tree. It's a tree that throws up gang signs. It's crazy.
Ooh, pie.
That's not pie.
It's empty.
It's full of dirt. How can it be pie?
I don't know. I just saw the container.
Okay. Ooh, okay.
Oh, there's that!
Look at the ball. Wait, shh. We're gonna scare Alyssa.
Oh, man, why do you guys turn around?
I know, turn around. See?
We are videotaping our adventure.
Adventure.
Oh, my God. You killed